radishes. They're more than just a garnish for your salad. I mean, they sell them by the bunch, so let's use them by the bunch. Stop putting baby in the corner. Now, when you eat a radish raw, it has a crisp texture and that iconic peppery flavor. A great way to highlight that is in a sandwich, just a baguette with some herb butter, but the radishes have this meatiness that is a game changer. And I actually like to think of this sandwich as like a gateway radish to other possibilities with radishes, like cooking them. Yep, I said cooking them. These are just sauteed radishes, and something magical happens. When you cook a radish, the texture goes from crisp to tender like a red potato, and the flavor turns mellow and earthy. Now for the ultimate cooked radish, check out these. Roasted radishes with miso and honey. And we didn't forget the greens. These are edible. Make a little salad out of those, serve with a tahini yogurt sauce, and you're a rock star. Radishes, who knew? Well, I mean, I knew.